No news may be good news, but for the Harris family, after 14 days of waiting, you sense that news of any kind would be welcome right now. Carla Jones, 24/7 News. Good to go. Send it up, huh?
A new report published by the Care Quality Commission suggests that the number of...
It's now 2 weeks since 18-year-old Matthew Harris disappeared somewhere in this wilderness behind me, near the end of a 1,000-mile charity bike ride between... For anyone who may have seen Matthew
Got it.
come forward.
Got it. Good.
So you'll run it at 1 o'clock then?
Well, I'll try to find room, but it's hardly breaking news anymore, is it?
No, guess not.
They found him. He's been taken to a ranger station.
Are you getting...
I just heard a call coming on the CB.
Where is it?
30 kilometers now.
Are you hearing this?
Yeah, get on it. If you can get there within the hour, we can go live during lunchtime instead of running the package.
Rolling titles, 10 seconds
Number
studio.
10, Afghanistan, then health. If we can, we go live to Carla, we may just run a VT, okay?
5, 4...
This is the Lunchtime 24/7 News. The headlines.
You're going to have to be quick. They're on air now.
Yeah.
Abraham, can you go find out what's going on? 176 for this one, yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
Hey, Carla. This is Ben. He's the guy who found him. Ben is willing to talk.
Hi, Ben. That's great. Thanks a lot.
The hearing continues. Now, in dramatic developments in South Africa, news has broken that missing teenager Matthew Harris has been found by a local search team. Our correspondent, Carla Jones, is in the Cedarburg Wilderness area, and we can talk to her now. Carla, what's the latest?
Alex, we've just heard that Matthew Harris has been discovered, severely dehydrated, but otherwise in reasonable health, walking in a remote canyon about 5 miles from here earlier this morning. Now, he's currently resting in this ranger station behind me, but I have with me Ben Collini, the ranger sound boy. Ben, can you tell us what happened?
Well, in the last few days, we've been concentrating our search efforts around the Canyon Creek area. We had to expand the area of search day by day and took the view that if we were to find him alive...
David, hi, how are you?
We would have had to have found some water.
Yeah, I'm sure you've been watching. They've done a great job, haven't they?
We came up lucky.
Where are they? South Africa? Where exactly? Let me think. No, I'm sorry, it's completely escaped me, mate.
We came up lucky.
I know.
Ben, and I believe an ambulance is on its way to take Matthew to hospital.
Carla, Matthew's parents must be very relieved to hear this news.
No statement from the parents as yet. Obviously, it's still early days. I imagine there'll be a fairly emotional reunion back in Cape Town later today.
Carla Jones in South Africa. Thanks for now. The MOD announced today that pre-deployment training...
That's okay?
Beautiful. Just got off the phone to David Thompson from PB News. Desperate to know where you are. Is there no one else there yet?
No, we're the only crew here right now. I'll buzz you if I get any movements, all right? They're going to have to take him to an emergency hospital soon.
Great, well, we'll come back to you for that. Stay online.
Okay, guys, let's go. Okay, let's set up over there. And now we wait.
They're coming!
Let's go.
So, Kate, environmental groups are concerned that the exploitation of this field puts this unspoilt region at risk. What are Tribal's plans?
Can you get us on now?
Yep, get it up and running and I'll come to you in 60 seconds.
Right, well, I'll do a link and then I may get out of vision. We'll use extreme for this.
Alex, wrap it up. Going to Carla in 6.
Thanks, Kate. Now back to Carla Jones, who has further news of Matthew Harris.
Thanks, Alex. Earlier this afternoon, Matthew Harris, the missing teenager from South London, was brought to this ranger station behind me after being rescued by a local search party. He's been resting after his ordeal in the African bush, and we believe he'll... In fact, here he is now. Matthew! Matthew, how are you feeling?
Thirsty.
Can you tell us what happened? Here we are, live in the Cedarburg, as Matthew is reunited with his family. Amazing scenes here, and for the Harris family, it seems that their nightmare is finally over.
Great sight, the family together again after weeks of torment. All of it brought to you live on 24/7 News. Thanks, Carla. We're going to take a break now, but be sure to stay with us as the story of Matthew Harris...
Tomorrow's front page is taken care of. Great job, everyone. Gotta go, Carla. Image race to sell. Well done.